Next question part, set of questions. All right, let's start with this one. Show that the x coordinate of m satisfies the equation this is equals to this. M is a maximum point. On the maximum point, you know differential is equals to
0.
So the equation is u is x, cos का differential is sine, now u bar v plus v bar u make sense? Right? This is what you had to show. Next is the equation in part 1 can be rearranged in the form with the initial value to calculate correct give the result of each iteration. Now this is clearly iteration that you have to do, nothing else. The first value of x can be 0 or can be pi by 4. Now it was not given in the question, but you know that the diagram has been given, so from the diagram you can assess that. Now the problem here is if you input 0 in the denominator over here, 0 in the denominator, the calculator will not be able to calculate, it will give you a math error. So instead of using 0 as the initial value, I'll start from pi by 4. So my first value of x is pi by 4. For the exam, you will write all the iterations. Right now, I'm not going to write any iterations because you will be calculating it with the calculator. I will just write down the final constant value. Once again, I'm repeating how do you do it. You will save pi by 4 as your answer. In the equation calculator, you will input. समझ आ रही है बात? So answer pi by 4 is saved as the answer. 0.5 tan inverse 1 upon 2 into answer.
Radian mode.
Everything should be in radian mode. So this is 0.2834, 0.5275, 0.3793, 0.46090, 0.4130, 0.44018, 0.4244, and so on until you converge. So you converge at 0.43 after 11 iterations.
Sure. Oh.
Make sense?
Round
Clear about it?
Round off P of the 3B.
Yes.
Okay.
Now let's start with another question. Another question says it's also a shape question. Show that alpha satisfies. Now what is alpha? Alpha is the angle. And over here the angle has been referred with x. Right? Now I can see that the arc length is also given. What is arc length? R theta. So arc length 100 is equals to r into 2 alpha. Right? Correct. Now the next thing is the chord length is also given. But I'm not going to use cosine rule because otherwise I'll get to cos 2 alpha. And using the double angle will be much more trickier. So what I can do is that I can... This will be r sine alpha.
Yeah.
Multiply it by 2, you will get 99. Because both these lengths are equal.
Yeah.
This plus this is equals to 99. Clear? Now I'll eliminate r.
Isn't this supposed to be our sine alpha? Not this.
This
straight
is
line.
opposite. And this is hypotenuse. This is a right angle
The
triangle.
straight line guy, na? The 99 is.
99 is the opposite length. So if I find out the entire opposite length, this is equal to 99.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Now r is equals to 99 upon 2 sine alpha. 99 upon 100 alpha is equals to sine alpha. And alpha is denoted by x. Make sense, Hassan? Verify that the root lies between. For the root to lie between any two values, you have to equate the entire equation equal to 0. Sine x minus 99 upon 100 x. Calculate, press point 1. At x point 1, my value of x is 8.33 into 10 minus 4. When x is 0.5, my value is minus 0.0155. This is not the value of x. This is answer. Change of sign indicates root lies between 0.1 and 0.5. Clear about it? Show that the sequence of values converges. It means we have to go from iterative to the original formula. What is the iterative formula? X equals to 50 sine x minus 48.5x. Write 48.5 as a fraction. I'll get 97 upon 2x. 2x equals to 100 sine x. So 99x upon 100 is equals to sine x. Proven according to the original equation.
Where did you get the 100?
Because when you take the LCM, use this iterative formula. Now the initial value is given here. So you will not take any one of these values. You will use the one given in the question.
Okay.
In the previous question that we did, the initial value was not given. So we were looking at the diagram or the roots that were provided in the previous parts. So now x1 is 0.25. The iterative formula 0.25 will be saved as the answer. Iterative formula is 50 sine answer minus 48.5 into answer. Calculate 0.25. .245, then 0.2453. I think 0.25 equals to. So it's converging to 0.2453. That's my answer. And it converges very quickly. Right, Hassan?
Sorry.
Clear about it?
Yeah.
Take out your